Nigeria nation. What? Yes. No Edo, no Nigeria nation. That means no Edo kingdom, no Nigeria nation. This is how. Without Edo kingdom, no Nigeria nation. Because the defeat of Edo kingdom gave way to Nigeria amalgamation. After Britain invaded and looted Benin treasuries, Benin treasuries of East artworks, East carvings, East sculptures, and ivories. All these they sold to museums all over the world. Although they sold them to museums all over the world, those things, they now exhibit Benin glories around the world. Wherever you go around the world in the museums, you see those things, they show you the glories of Edo Kingdom around the world. Watch it. Only Benin Kingdom fought the imperialists in war. Benin Kingdom alone fought the British in war. They defeated and survived the British purpose of the war. What was the British purpose of the war? Watch this. They defeated and they survived the Benin purpose of the war. And what was that? Watch it. Because the punitive expedition didn't end the monarchy. They thought when they fight and take away the king, that ends the monarchy. But it didn't. Because, to their surprise, Edo monarchy is hereditary. Edo monarchy is hereditary. It is a primeva ad infinitum primogenitura. A primeva ad infinitum primogenitura. Succession to the throne by the firstborn of the king. Forever, no end, ad infinitum. And when the monarch of Edo Kingdom was deported to Calabar, wherever the monarch of Edo Kingdom is also Edo Kingdom. Therefore, Edo Kingdom was thereby extended to Calabar. You see it? QED. It shows itself that without Edo Kingdom, there was no Nigeria. It is after Edo Kingdom was invaded and overtaken that the Edo Kingdom was joined to the other part of Nigeria to form Nigeria in 1914 by Lord Lugard. This is now clear that without the Edo Kingdom, there was no Nigeria. Thank you very much.